guys, welcome to freshman land. Yes, this is where all of the freshman dorms are, and they meet in the middle here, and this is the quad. This is like the main outdoor hangout area for freshmen. There's picnic tables, my roommate's over there doing her homework. Between these two trees, I usually put up my hammock on a nice day and, you know, just kind of swing, have a good time. So over there is Walls. That's where Zeke lives. This is Brown, which is the all-girls dorm. And then behind me is my home. It's something else. I will take you, we'll explore a little bit. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you my room really quick. Here we go. So this is my room. I live in Prosser, so it's a little smaller than Walls and Brown, which are the other two freshman dorms, but we make it work. This is my side. This is my tapestry. Got some Star Wars pillows. I'm from Maryland. We got a lot of pride. If you've never met anyone from Maryland, if you do, you'll know we love our flag. I'm House Stark, and no one can ever convince me that any other house is better. So an important thing about dorms is everything in this room that you see is wooden, is provided by the school. So, you know, your chair, your desk, your bed, you get one little drawer thingy, and obviously I don't have to provide my own closet, so they've got me covered with that. Just for some extra storage, I also got some drawers just for my ski stuff and some extra clothes just to stay organized. I also have a pretty impressive tea collection down there. Yeah, as far as desks go, they're actually, mine is bigger just because I folded out this little thing. If you don't want to do that, it's totally fine. Yeah, so at the beginning of the year, this part was actually broken. It wouldn't come up all the way, and I put in a work order, and it was done within, I don't know, 2 hours. So especially towards the beginning of the year during move-in, they're very accommodating with that. As far as beds go, mine's lofted a little higher than, me and Philippa's are both lofted a little higher than the normal person, just so we can fit all our stuff underneath. So the school also has a program. We have I'm not going to zoom in too much because my magnets are a little vulgar, but they're pretty funny. So this is my personal fridge, and I have my own personal microwave that I bought. But basically what the school has is a program, especially if you live far away. Let's say you're an international student, you can rent a fridge and microwave for the year. And I think it's a lot cheaper than buying one, but I just had one for my sister, so I brought mine. But yeah, this is my room. That's my brace. It's really cool. It kind of sucks. My skis and my crutches. For all my female identifying people, or you know, anyone who's interested in hair, my sister showed me this hack, so you know, definitely very useful. I also got my own mirror here because the only mirror we have is that one, and you know, gotta have more than that, so I got this little fancy one. It's pretty cheap. About the closet, so mine is built into the wall. People in Walls is not. Theirs is like separate from the wall. I'll try to get in there and show you a room, but you know, we're about to go on break. That's why my suitcase is here. This is my closet. Sorry, it's a little messy, but you know, not a ton of room in here, so you have to make do. But we do have these little doors. Philippa has hers closed currently because she just left for break. But yeah, you can choose if you want it open. Most people keep it open, but it's just something that's pretty useful if you want it, and it's there if you need it. So yeah, that's my room.